Welcome back to my channel, and this is Joven Narcisse. We're going to unbox a package that came from the United States. It was sent through Johnny Plus, and this is a pair of boots. I waited for 2 months for this package to arrive, and it's here. So we're going to unbox it. I will have a separate video on how I was able to order an item from the United States, and it was sent directly to the Philippines. So we're going to open this box. As you can see, this is a box of a boots coming from West Coast Company or WESCO. So we have a manual from WESCO. And then here it is, Mr. Low Engineer Boots. Very nice. So we'll just unbox this boots, and I'll have a separate video on the description and everything. And as you can see, there is a development of molds already for the past 2 months that I've been inside the package. Wow. Wow. I like the smell. So it arrived safely. I was able to pay 3,500 for the shipping, the customs duties, and for the VAT, or the value added tax that went with it. Okay, so that's it.